Hey guys, it's Monk. I wanted to post this video right quick. It is Halloween and I'm trying to post everything. I have everything made, just have to post it. As you can see, the jacket's in the background. But for this video, we are doing the Good Night Bat. Here's the bottom. This only took me an hour, so it's a fairly short video. I hope y'all enjoy. This first stuff is optional, considering that it depends if you already have a wooden bat or not. If you don't, cut out your pieces of wood tape to cover up the whole bat. I did about 2 layers of this. Now get out your microfoam tape and just wrap it around to create the handle at the bottom. For this part, what you're going to do is get eyeshadow and get black and brown eyeshadow. What I did is that I used my fingers and I put it all around the microphone tape. That way, whenever I touch it and stuff, it'll look dirty and it looks really nasty. But that's the whole point of the bat, is you want to make it really nasty and dirty looking. Now to begin painting Goodnight, I just freehanded it. You're more than welcome to use a stencil if you would like. I'm more confident with the freehand myself. But just put it on there, make sure you size it correctly because you don't want to mess it up. If you do mess it up and you have that wood tape, the little trick is to put another piece of wood tape over it. That way you don't have to worry about accidentally messing it up. And I would draw it out first and then paint in the detail after. It's so much easier that way you don't accidentally screw it up. Now to paint on your diamonds. First I created the 2 lines, that way I know exactly where I'm going to be putting the diamonds at. And then I did the red ones and made it look like an hourglass, and then came back later and put blue diamonds inside. If you have room, you can put the white around it. If not, that's okay. Just make sure you leave space to make it look like there's wood in between. That is the easiest way I have found with this. Again, you can use a stencil if you prefer. Like I said, I trust myself with freehand, so it's completely up to you what you are most comfortable with. Now this is the more difficult part that I found for myself, is that I'm writing ha 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 in red all over the place, and then I went in with black and did it with that as well. And then I just wrote down random Harley Quinn quotes, and then I wrote a few names, crossed them out to make it look like my victims have been killed or something like that. And that's how I did it. There is no confirmation that I found so far that fully states what exactly is on the bat. There's a few theories, but this is what I came up with. Feel free to put whatever you want on it. Just make sure it's really, really tiny, because it's really fun trying to see if somebody else can read what you wrote. And that is how you make the bat. Now, since I started with an aluminum bat, I had to basically buy some wood grain duct tape, but that's completely optional. If you happen to find one, that's even easier, because this is what took most of the time, was actually putting the tape on correctly. Now, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I hope I was able to help you, and happy Halloween!